Assalamu alaikum class 4 students, American stuff dear students. Welcome back. We were studying about senses. Whole world around us, whatever we are looking, whatever we are eating, whatever we are sensing, all the senses actually been interpreted by 5 senses. These are taste, hearing, sight, smell and touch. So I'm Nazaved and we're going to study them in detail. We have 5 senses: sense of sight, sense of taste, sense of touch, sense of sound, sense of smell, and our sense organs are actually, for sense of sight we have eye, for sense of taste we have tongue, for sense of hearing we have ear, for sense of touch we have skin, for sense of smell we have nose. Now let's see how do they work. We have studied already, but we will just revise. It will be a brief recap. Sense of taste is actually sensed by taste buds that are found on the surface of our tongue. These taste buds sense the food chemicals or juices or flavors and send the signals to brain. Then sense of hearing, all the sound waves are entering in our ear like this red circle and then going to eardrum. Here are 3 bones, anvil, stirrup, hammer, and then these vibrations are sent to cochlea. Cochlea has a fluid that changes these vibrations into signals, and signals are sent to brain. We can sense what is being talked or spoken. Then sense of sight. Sense of sight, you know all very well. We have eye. In our eye we have iris, pupil and cornea that focus all the light entering into our eye to retina. Retina has nerve endings and changes the light rays into optical nerves. Send the light to the optical nerves, and when we understand what we are looking or watching. Then sense of smell. Sense of smell, we have nose. The inner lining of nose has mucus, and mucus and it has the nerve endings. It has the endings of where olfactory receptors are there. These olfactory receptors send the signals to brain about smell. Then our skin has dermis. It has nerve endings and send the signals to our brain. Today, beta, all of you have to ready your pages of copies. We have to do the written task on our copies. So you have to use pencil, write very neatly, put day and date. On the first 2 line, you will write unit number 2, our senses. Then you will write answers of question answers. Our first question is name different sense organs. Answer is we have 5 sense organs. Number 1 eyes, number 2 tongue, number 3 ear, number 4 skin, number 5 nose. Now write question number 2. Why is the nose lined with mucus? The answer is written here. The nose is lined with mucus that stimulates the hair-like endings of our olfactory receptors, so brain gets the signals of smell. Olfactory receptors are actually the main senses here. Now question number 3 is, what is the function of outer ear? Outer part of the ear is called pinna. It directs all sound vibrations to the ear canal. Right? Now write question number 4. How on the next line and write, how do the taste buds help us to enjoy food? Because what do? They sense the flavors. So the answer is the food that we eat touches our taste buds. They send messages to our brain Our brain tells us what flavors we are eating. Okay, now question number 5 is, how are we able to hear different sounds? The outer ear, the ear canal, the eardrum and the three bones together, they pass sound vibrations to cochlea. Cochlea has a fluid that moves when it vibrates. This vibration causes and creates nerve impulses and we can hear. Then diagram of ear you can draw from the page, from your notebook pages. Okay. Then question number 7 is, how do we see? Rays of light enter our eye. How they enter our eye? Through cornea, pupil and lens. These rays pass through the jelly-like structure called vitreous. Here rays are focused in retina. The retina converts the rays into signals that are sensed through the optic nerves of the brain. Thus we are able to see all around us. I hope students you will not only write the answers, write all these 7 answers in your copies, you will learn them too, so that these will be helpful in doing good in assessment and getting good mark in your assessment. May Allah bless you with His finest blessings. Thanks for being connected with us. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.